watching Fintech Wave.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Ken. Welcome to another episode of Fintech Wave. I hope you're well. Today, what I want to talk about is Ethereum and why I think Ethereum's price is going to go much, much higher than it is right now. Just a quick view of where Ethereum is at. Ethereum is currently trading at $13.30. It was in the 1200s, fluctuating between the mid 1100s, mid 1200s. And now, it's kind of continuing to just show resilience and move higher. Even though Bitcoin has seen somewhat of a pullback and Ethereum pulled back with it, I think the reality of the fundamentals behind Ethereum are just kind of winning out over the whole situation that's affecting the market right now. The new administration in the United States, waiting for clarity from the SEC, all of those things, a little bit of profit taking. Whenever you have a steep run up in any market, people pull out, take profits, things like that. But irrespective of the recent sell-off and the profit taking, I still think Ethereum is going to go much, much higher. And this video is about some of the reasons why. I'm going to touch on about three of them, three of the main reasons why, although there are many, many more. But just a little background about Ethereum. I'm on ethereum.org right now. And this is where you can find out the basics of the platform, the ecosystem, how it was started, what it does, who developed it. What I did was I just went to Wikipedia to just get the quick rundown. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain featuring smart contract functionality. Ether, ETH, is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. It is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization after Bitcoin. Ethereum is the most actively used blockchain. And that is the key phrase right there. Right now I'm on Wikipedia just to get a simple synopsis of what Ethereum is. And this line right here, Ethereum is the most actively used blockchain. That really sums up the whole video. If you take that into consideration and you look at this, I think the information speaks for itself. It's the most actively used blockchain, and it's only trading at $1,300, while Bitcoin is $32,000. So the first reason that I think Ethereum is of value is the fact that it's undervalued. And this is not financial advice. This is my own opinions. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm giving you some information why I think Ethereum could be a good investment for you, particularly if you have like a 5-year plan. For a 5-year move, I strongly recommend, if you've got $1,300, buy an Ethereum coin. Definitely. That's not financial advice. That's just my recommendation to you. You won't be mad that you did. And especially if you're someone who has the discipline to hold on to your investment for at least a year or two, you'll double your money, if not triple or quadruple it. So, number one, Ethereum is undervalued. Okay, why is it undervalued? That's number two. The reason it's undervalued is because of all of the things going on in the Ethereum ecosystem. First of all, Ethereum is the basis of decentralized finance. All of the things that are going on in DeFi rest on the Ethereum blockchain. I talked about AWS in the last video and how they're providing cloud decentralized financial services. Amazon managed blockchain runs on Ethereum. All of decentralized finance runs on Ethereum. Why? Because the Ethereum blockchain features smart contract functionality. Smart contracts are self-executing crypto contracts that you can build parameters into that basically allow things like finance and banking and those sorts of transactions to become automated. It takes the third-party element completely out of those transactions. And that's what Ethereum does, that Bitcoin doesn't. Okay, Bitcoin is the big name in crypto. Bitcoin has the footprint like that. And, Ethereum and a lot of other coins are in the shadows because of it. But more and more institutions are starting to recognize the value of Ethereum and decentralized finance. And this is another thing about why I think the price is so low, is that as institutions start to realize, wait a minute, this thing is a gold mine. Just like all of that institutional money poured into Bitcoin from like mid-2020 on to the end of 2020, a whole wave of institutional money is going to pour into Ethereum as well. And one of the main reasons for that, on top of just the decentralized finance in general, is staking Ethereum. Staking is part of decentralized finance, and I'm going to zero in on it as the third reason why I think the price of Ethereum can go much higher than it is right now. Staking is where you can earn interest on your crypto. It's available to institutions, but to stake Ethereum, you need to have 32 Ethereum to stake. At $1,330, Ethereum, that's more than 40 grand. That's like 42 grand or something like that. 41,000 or something that you need to be able to begin staking Ethereum. That's institutional type money, and they're going to not do 41,000. They'll probably be doing 41 million. But the institutional money is going to pour in when these institutions start realizing the amount of interest that can be earned on crypto from staking. But not only is staking available to institutions, it's available to the individual as well. And there are sites like Uniswap, for example, where you can go and stake your crypto if it's Ethereum based. And some of the interest you can earn is like ridiculous. You can go to a site like stakingrewards.com and you can just scroll down the homepage. I'm going to just show you just a glance of what kind of interest DeFi staking is paying back. Polkadot coin, 35%. Avalanche, 10%. Staking Ethereum, you can get 10%. Stake synthetics, look at this, 38% return. These different coins have different risk associated with them, so that's up to you to do some more due diligence. You don't just watch one video and go run and stake, right? You take some of my information and then you augment that with some further research on your own. And I recommend at the very least you start to investigate how that crypto that you might be sitting on can start to work for you, okay? Instead of earning 0.01% at a bank, you can take your money, buy some crypto with it, stick it in a MetaMask wallet, and then go to Uniswap, which is the main staking platform, and begin to stake your crypto and earn back some of these interest rates that are more realistic on that $500 that you work so hard to put away. And when you see things like this, Coinbase to acquire leading blockchain infrastructure platform Bison Trails, the acquisition will enable Bison Trails to accelerate its mission to provide easy-to-use blockchain infrastructure that strengthens the entire crypto ecosystem. Bison Trails will serve as a foundational element within Coinbase's ecosystem suite of products powering all participants in the crypto economy. The way I see that is they're getting ready for all of the things that are going to be happening in DeFi, and Coinbase probably wants to make sure it's able to provide some of those DeFi options to its customers, because I'm sure Coinbase knows that DeFi is going to explode, especially with staking. It offers fantastic interest rates to institutional clients and individuals alike. So just to sum up staking, that's where you can earn interest on your crypto at sites like Uniswap, and you can do it with no bank involved, no paperwork to fill out. It's just you and a smart contract. DeFi takes the control out of the bank's hands and puts it in the investor's hands. This thing is going to take off. And when things take off in technology, the underlying technology takes off as well, which directly affects the price. So what I'm saying to you people is we are at the dawn of a brand new era. Staking is a brand new thing, okay? It's like somebody telling you, hey, in the 1990s, early 90s, invest in these internet companies. They're going to blow up. And people were like, that's not really going to happen. Take it from me. Look at what's happened to Bitcoin just in the past 2 months. It's gone from like 11,000 to as high as 42,000 about 4 weeks ago. And it's taken a pullback, but it's going to turn around and go much higher. Even naysayers like big banks have been on internet blogs and interviews talking about, we see Bitcoin going to 150,000. One institutional commentator said something like 250,000 for a Bitcoin sometime in the next 18 months. I don't know about 250, but I think a six-figure Bitcoin is on the table for the end of 2021. No question. And just that alone, just off the rise of Bitcoin, if Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum should go up too. So that's just another additional factor that could affect the price of Ethereum. But what I'm saying to you, everyone, is Ethereum at 1,300 is low based on what's coming down the pipe. And there's this other thing that I didn't talk about, Ethereum 2.0, which should take the basis for the Ethereum blockchain from proof of work to proof of stake, which is a more efficient way to solve block transactions. And as those efficiencies become part of the Ethereum ecosystem and only enhance the space, the value of Ethereum is going to be affected by those implementations as well. So these are all nothing but positive reasons why the price of Ethereum should go no place but up over the longer term. I'm not saying, tomorrow it's going to hit 50,000. It'll go up, down, but the general trend over the months and years ahead is north. There's no question about that. So those are the 3 key reasons why I think the price of Ethereum could go much, much higher. If you like the content, please hit like and subscribe. This is Ken Carabello saying peace. Thanks for checking out this episode of Fintech Wave. I appreciate you. I'll see you next time, everybody. Take care.